Okay, ladies and gents, welcome back to part 2 of the Flying Banjo. This is a free plan taken out of the RCM&E magazine a couple of months ago. If you've seen part 1 of the videos, I've taken you through which each part does on the aircraft. These are the formers basically that we've got to cut out. That's a top plan view of the fuselage, and this is the side plan view of the fuselage. The rest of the information is on the reverse side. So today I thought it'd be a good idea to actually make a start on the wing. So if we turn the drawing over, you can see the wing, which is there. As you can see, it's made up of several planks of 3/16 thickness medium balsa. If you look on the actual drawing, look, it says wingspan 26-inch diameter. These are the only drawings that it shows on the actual plan itself. So I thought it would be a good idea to draw this out full size, just to see the diameter of the wing itself and to see where the split lines of the planks are going to be, especially at this end where the elevons and the rudder is going to join onto the wing. So the first thing I did was to rob some A4 sheets of paper out the printer and stick them together with masking tape there. So I've got a full sheet. Then I had to scribe a 26-inch diameter circle all the way around. Now I did this a bit Heath Robinson, but it worked a treat. I used a piece of 5mm, oops, get back in focus, 5mm foam board that I had lying about. I've put a cocktail stick on 0 point, and then I measured 13 inches out, which will give obviously a 26-inch diameter. That's where my marker pen is going to go. Put the cocktail stick on the centre of the drawing, put the pen in the end, and then just traverse it around, as you can see, to mark out the outside diameter. Then I cut that out so we can actually see. Marked a centre line going across, and then I actually marked where the elevons are going. Now I did this because each plank of the 3/16 balsa is 4 inches wide. So looking at this here, if I start with a full sheet, it meant cutting out the full elevon out of one sheet, which, okay, yeah, you can do. But I've decided to actually use the hinge line there as the edge of plank number 6. So that is going to be the edge of the plank. Now if I put plank number 6 onto the drawing, you'll see how it sort of goes. And now you can see the edge of that plank is going to be the hinge line, which just saves me cutting that out of one sheet. I'm just being a bit lazy there. So that's number 6 on top of my drawing. If I put the others on there just so you can see, like that. I've scribed across the ends a little bit bigger than the diameter, as you can see, because obviously I'm just going to chop them off roughly for the time being. But if I can just put those sort of across, which is easier said than done one-handed. So as you can see, I've got 6 sheets of balsa going in. If I stand back, you can see what we're up against there. These edges, obviously I'm just going to chop them off with a Stanley knife all the way around, just to give me a rough diameter of the circle. The waste parts of the board here I'm going to use for the elevons. There and there, one at the top, one at the bottom. This middle section is another piece that's glued into plank 6 just on this edge. So that's the next step of the job. So that's about it for this video. It shows you what we're up to. So obviously the next stage for me is to do all the rough cuts, and then we'll get back to the gluing stage, which I'll show you in the next video on how about to go to do that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to the channel so you can see the following videos in the series, and we'll take it from there. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.